one of the ways to make money in this bull run is crypto trading. One of the ways to make money in this bull run is crypto trading. One of my friends is asking me, how can I make money from cryptocurrency? When bull run, I heard about bull run, how can I make money? And I said, one of the ways to make money is crypto trading. But most people don't know how to trade by themselves. Most persons are still learning. And even those who can trade cryptocurrency, only few trade with profit. Maybe because of emotion, some are controlled by emotion. That's one of the reasons that many people cannot trade cryptocurrency. You have to be disciplined. But as all of us want to be traders, including me, expert traders, but at the same time, we can equally use robots. As we are training ourselves, you can equally use robot, and especially if you are a new person into crypto, you're a newbie, or you are there into crypto for some years, but you are yet to make that huge money from trading. Can you try out robot trading? Have you tried out using AI trading? I have done that before, and I know how much I made. Yes, there's money in trading, because trading is something that is there 24 hours, 247. The market is there. So one of the ways to really make money in the blockchain or online is to trade with a reliable AI trading tools, a robot. And I'm glad to introduce to us one of the latest AI trading robots. This AI trading robot, known as Finup, is a big trading robot, is a well-established trading robot. In fact, it is used by big commercial entities, big hedge fund managers that trade funds in huge amount of money. But because of the partnership that this particular Finup had with a leading Web3 system, they now open up this AI to retail investors like I and you, to private users, so that you can equally make money from this bull run. And in fact, not just in bull run, you can make money if you're a good trader. You can make money in bull run and in bear market. So let's go straight to the point. It's known as Finup. The AI is known as Finup, and Finup is a powerful AI crypto trading app, third verified project of this particular platform. This particular Finup is from a reputable platform, and this is the third project that this platform has introduced. The tool is successful. I've been with this particular company for close to 3 years now. Yes, and it has not disappointed. Though every platform has its own challenges, every business has its own challenges, but the ability to weather through the challenges, the capacity to stay above the challenges is what distinguishes a business from another. For what distinguishes a successful business from an unsuccessful business. So if you are yet to tell about cryptocurrency, you are new or you have been there, this is for you. Now let's move on. Just as I was saying earlier, that this Finup is a robot that trades for you, and your risk is significantly managed. One of the problems of so many traders, be it crypto or forex, is risk management. Most traders don't know how to manage their risk, either due to greed or fear. And this is the two emotions that plays on money traders. And that's why if you are yet to master these two, I will recommend you use robot. Though this is not a financial advice, but this is what I do. You can be doing the both. As you are learning trading, as you are learning how to master trading, how to read technical analysis and combine it with fundamental analysis, with macro and micro economics factors for trading, yes, then you can equally use AI, because every wealthy person has multiple sources of incomes. So that when one has a problem or has some challenges or a challenge, you have others to use. So the average performance of this AI Finup is 87%. Out of 100 trades, 87 is successful. That is the past performance. Though past performance do not guarantee present or future performance, but past performance can serve as a stepping stone to perform better in the future. So, from the past performance of this AI, it has 87 winning rate, and monthly profit average performance is 16%. So it means that if you are trading, let's say $100 in a month, you are making $16. Is it good or very good? Some persons are not making this kind of money in a month. Some have money, but their money is depreciating rather than appreciating. So if you see a system that is realistic, this is a realistic for 16%, because I know some person may want to hear 100% in a month, 500% in a month. My guy, most of these are scams. A realistic business, though it's possible, yes, it's possible. You can make in a month 1 million percent. Yes, I've seen it. I have done it. I actually have experienced it. But it is once in a blue moon, or once in a while kind of profit. Remember that every profit you make, somebody elsewhere is losing. That's the reality. So, and that's how it works. Let me focus on this. So let's move on. Now, Finup versus Bitcoin profits. Finup is an AI strategy. If, for instance, you have a Bitcoin that worth $100, and this Bitcoin, you leave it for a year, you will have made 251% based on the price traction, on price appreciation, the price increment. But if we have put this money into Finup, it will have made for you 234%. You will have made 34%. That's in average. So this is how it works. It trades for you. It trades for us. And it's not just trading for us, it's compound. For example, if you have $100 in your trading capital today, and Finup trade for you and make, let's say, if you divide this 16%, let's say in a day, it makes 0.5%. That means you have $100 $50. Tomorrow, it will not trade with $100 again for you. It will add that particular cent it made for yesterday to your capital. Can you see how it compounds it? So that is another good thing about Finup. Now, how do you trade? How does it work? It's a robot. This particular robot partner with Binance. Binance is the #1 leading crypto exchange in planet Earth. Yes. So to show you how reliable and how grounded is this company, they partner with Binance, and Binance is not just only the partner exchange. We also have OKS coming soon, and many more coming. So your trading capital is safe and secured on a separate Binance account created and dedicated for you alone. Your money is in your custody, or you can say it that the money is in your Binance, not with the robot. So you are not giving the robot your trading capital. We are not giving the robot the Finup management or their team, their capital. No, the money is in your account being managed by you and Binance. So all the robot needs to do is just to connect your Binance through an API, application interface. It will just connect to your API, and this enables the robot to be trading your capital in your Binance, while the robot doesn't have access to your capital in your Binance account. Simple and short, and you earn in USDT. We earn in USDT. Yes, and USDT is a stable coin. So this is how it works. Now, how does it work properly? You buy an annual license fee. Number one. Number two, you have a trading capital. Maximum trading capital depends on the license fee purchased. So number one thing here is that we are expected to buy a license fee. And this license fee depends on the particular package you want to buy. We have license fee of $100, which is starter, $500, 1,500, 5,000, 50,000, and $30,000. Then, if you buy a package of $100, you can trade with a maximum of $500. Though sometimes the company run promo that you can trade it. I think the promo is about to finish. If you buy $100 today, you can trade with a maximum of 1,000. That is on promo. But for now, that is a normal amount you can trade. This is a minimum for $100, $500. If you buy a package of if you buy a license fee of $500, you can fund your Binance with a maximum of $2,500. So that is simple and short how it works. Then, profit splits with Finup. Once you start making profit, the company share with you 50-50 if you are at the $100 package. If you are the $500 package, the company takes 45, you take 55. If you buy 1.5 package, the company takes 40, you take 60. That's the profit. And this is what makes it sustainable. This is what makes this project sustainable. You know, we look at the sustainability of the company or the project that you want to go into. It's not just about hitting it raw, hit and run. Tomorrow you come back empty-handed. It is hit and stay. You know, so if you start with license fee of $5,000, the company shares 35% and you have 65% of the profit. Let's say, assuming the company made $100 for you in a day, it means that you are taking $65, company is taking $35. Is it good or very good? Up to when you now come to the supreme license, which is $30,000, this is unlimited. The maximum capital is unlimited for $30,000. Why the company takes 30%, why you take 70%? So this is how it works. You know, if you have found value from this video as to this extent, please subscribe, like, and share. Smash the like button, smash it. Yes, and smash the subscribing button. Smash the subscribing button. Now let's more people get this video so that we can earn money from your home. Many people are making money. Not every online business is a scam, my dear friend. It's not every business that is a scam. We have scam, yes, but you need to study and know that we have real businesses as they are scam. Scam is a proof that we have real businesses. Because if they are not real businesses, they are only the scam. So that is it. Now, how do you buy the license fee? You need to register with Mavie Global. Mavie Global is a company that partner with this Finup. Mavie Global is a blockchain platform. They are on a partner with this particular project so that you can buy a package. So if you need the link, I'll drop the link in this video or ask the person that sent this video to you for a link. So I'll edit this video here. I don't want it to be too long. I'll be doing more videos on this. I will explain more. There are more ways to make money from this Finup. I just went straight to the point for those that want to trade crypto. But there are many other ways to make money. So if you want to learn how to make more money, how to pack money, and use it responsibly, come and watch my next video. Subscribe. If you need more videos on how to make money online, I've done many videos. Check out my channel. I've done many videos on blockchain, cryptocurrency, on money making processes online. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Love you, and let's meet at the top of success.